Hello everyone and welcome to Skill Up with Sheetal, and today we are going to see the biggest off-campus hiring for Wipro. So the salary will be 5.5 LPA to the 1 lakh bonus. Means when you will join the Wipro, you will get 1 lakh bonus along with the salary. So this is the biggest opportunity you can gain here. You can see, you can apply, so don't skip a video. I will show and I will tell you all the information regarding this opportunity. So the role will be project engineer at Wipro through the Turbo Hiring Program 2025. So this is the hiring program, Turbo Hiring Program, through which you will be going to apply for the project engineer role at Wipro. Okay. So freshers which who are having 2025 graduates with BE BTech in CSIT circuital streams are eligible. So here if you are from 2025 batch pass out, then you can easily apply here, but you should have your educational background with BE or BTech in CS or IT fields. Okay, and the salary will be 5.5 LPA to the 1 lakh bonus, which is the additional bonus when you will get when you will join the company. Okay, so the company name is Wipro. We know the position is project engineer. The location will be Bangalore and Chennai. So if you are looking for these locations, then only apply. Otherwise, like you can apply and take experience, like how the process works through Wipro. So the experience is fresh graduate, so the freshers are eligible. Qualification is BE BTech CSIT fields. Skills which you should have are the aptitude coding. In coding you have, like, if you have language skills like C++, Java or Python, then that will be the great. Apart from this, communication is the must skill which you should have. If you are not very much good in communication, then also you can apply and you can, like, try practicing various questions which are asked in the interviews. The batch which is eligible, it is a 2025 batch. Salary, you know, like that is 5.5 LPA. Job description. So what is the job description for this opportunity? So as a project engineer at Wipro, you will work on cutting edge technologies and contribute to a global client projects. So global projects you will be working on. So there are so much key responsibilities which will include in this role. So few of them are like solving complex technical problems, developing software using computer programming languages like C, C++, Java and Python, working with cloud platforms, data structures and algorithms. So you should have good knowledge on data structures and algorithm, because all the applications, whatever concepts you are using, you will be using data structures in it. Data structures like for all the languages like C++, Java, Python. Like if you have learned data structures in any of the particular language, that will be good, because you can easily, like, correlate these concepts with that language. The next responsibility is collaborating with teams and stakeholders, completing pre-skilling training before onboarding. So before onboard, like before you are joining the company, you have to, like, complete pre-skilling training. It means the basic skills, whatever the soft skills, whatever the presentation skill, these all skills including the pre-skilling training. So you can complete that, which will help you throughout your corporate journey. Now let's see eligibility criteria. What is the eligibility? That is, you should have BE or BTech pass out in the fields of CS and IT branches. Graduation year should be 2025. Academic requirements are, like, you should have 60% in both 10th and 12th academics, 6 CGPA or 60% in graduation. So in the last year you should have 6 CGPA or at least 60% in your graduation. So maximum one backlog at the time of assessment. It means, like, if your one of the subject is back at the time of assessment of this Wipro, that is okay. but maximum than one. Like if there are two backlogs, that is not acceptable. So, but this backlog should be cleared before joining. Like when you are joining the Wipro, you should not have any backlog subject. Apart from that, maximum 3 years of gap is allowed in education. If suppose you have a education gap like 2 years, 3 years, due to any of the reason, maybe there will be medical emergency, maybe there will be any career switch cases, but you can have that 3 years of gap. It is allowed in education, so you can specify that one, that gap also. Like if you are having 3 years of gap, then also interviewer can ask you like why there is a gap for 3 years in your education. So you should be able to justify your answer in a good manner, so that that will not impact on your that interview. Okay. And graduation must be completed within 4 years. Like obviously, if you are doing BE or BTech, your graduation must be completed within 4 years only. Like it should not be 3 years. It should not be 5 years. Okay. Mode of study. So your mode of study should be full time. Full time means completely you were doing the full time study. Otherwise, there are the part time studies also. Like if you are taking an external admission also, that is also not allowed here. Distance education is allowed for 10th and 12th, but not for the graduation. So that's what I said now. Like if you are having 10th and 12th in the long distance, means you have done externally, that is okay. But for graduation, you should do full time courses only. Now let's go to the very interesting part of the application, that is salary and benefits. So CTC means cost to company, that is 5.5 LPA they are giving. 5.5 LPA means like we'll calculate here. 5.5 LPA means it means 45,833. Okay, so 45,833, it will be the monthly salary you will be receiving. But in that also there are some of the concepts like PF and all these bonuses. So in this way there will be the reduction in your salary. And apart from this, 1 lakh retention bonus is there. Okay. So in the additional benefits, what are the things like medical assistance and insurance? Insurance will be there along with your onboarding only. Life and accident insurance, like if suppose there is anything incident happened with you, there will be additional benefits from the organizations that you can adapt. Parental insurance, like for parents also there is insurance. Retirement benefits, that are PF, gratuity, pension, and optional. These are all things you know. So now let's move toward the selection process. What is the selection process? Okay. The step one is registration. So whenever any hiring is coming, then you have to register for that. Okay, so the registration link, that is the apply link, that I will share in this video, and also show you how to register step by step. Should not miss any point of the video, so that you can register successfully and you will get the reply back from the recruiters. Okay, so now registration is fill out the application form on Wipro's official website. So whatever the hiring is, you can have that role present in the Wipro's official website. Step 2 is online assessment. There will be online assessment which will conclude 3 sections. First one is the aptitude, second one is the coding test, and third one is the written communication test. In the aptitude, you will have different sections like verbal, quantitative, and logical ability. In the coding test, you will have the programming in different languages. Like there will be different languages choices you will be having. You can choose one of the language and you can do coding in that language. whatever the question is provided, you can do coding in any of the languages. You can select the coding language from that editor that they have provided. The third thing is written communication test, means essay writing. So in this written communication test, what will be there? They will be giving any one of the topic, then you have to write an essay on that in 100, 200, whatever words they are mentioning there, you have to write the essay. Now the step 3, voice assessment round. So voice assessment round, you can complete the step 3. So candidate that's clearing the test will go through the voice based assessment. Like if you have completed these 3 tests, aptitude, coding and written, then only you will be going to the voice assessment round. So after you are clearing voice assessment round, there will be business discussion. Means there will be for example in interview, only business interview, shortlisted candidates will participate in business discussion with Wipro recruiters. So recruiters will take a business discussion, like the normal questions, the common questions they will ask, whatever to judge your communication skill, your confidence, and all other soft skills you are having. They will judge through this business discussion. After that, if you are suitable for that job opportunity, then they will provide you the letter of intent. Letter of intent is the sign that you are successfully shortlisted for that job. Means you are selected for that job. So, if you are a successful candidate for that job opportunity, you will get letter of intent, means LOI, on your mail, and also you will get a call on your registered mobile number. After that, step 6 is pre-skilling training. So selected candidates undergo pre-skilling training to prepare for the role at Wipro. So here Wipro is providing this like most important thing that every organization should do, that is pre-skilling training. Okay, pre-skilling training means whatever the job responsibilities are there for the opening, like they are hiring for this Wipro, na? So they will provide this training to the selected candidates. So that will increase the confidence, the communication skill, and the other soft skills also in that employee, or in that students, we can say. So after this only, that student will get the offer letter. So after candidates successfully completing all steps, receive an offer letter and ready to join Wipro. So now when they are ready to join the Wipro, they will get the offer letter, and after that Wipro recruiters will do the most important things, that is service agreement. So here in the Wipro there is a 12 months duration for service agreement. So once you will join the service agreement, that is of 12 months, you cannot leave that company within the 12 months. Like if you are leaving, then the bond amount is 75,000. You have to pay 75,000 and then only you can leave the company. Okay, so these are the details which everyone should know who is going to apply to the Wipro. Now Wipro is like everyone knows what is Wipro, that is the best company, the good company about Wipro. It is a global IT consulting and business process service company empowering customers across 65 countries. Okay, and with over these 230,000 employees, Wipro fosters an inclusive and diverse work environment. Okay, so in this Wipro, there are some facts that are in the Wipro, there are female employees at about 36.6%. After that, 1,600 plus employees identify as differently abled, and 1,600 employees identify as LGBTQ. So like Wipro is not doing any of the like segregation while hiring the employees. If you are differently abled also, they are hiring because they want talent only. They are not like doing the segregation in the students, like if this student is differently abled then they are not hiring. This is not the case. Okay, so now here we are done with all the details which are required to register for this opportunity, Wipro off-campus hiring. Okay, so now we will click on apply now. This is the apply link for Wipro. Now, when I will provide you the link, apply link, there you can see there is a superset registration is there. Like superset registration, what is that? Like it is on platform where job applications you can apply for the job opportunities, and you can also see the status of your job application. So here, whatever the link I have provided, when you are going to click there, you will get one UI like this. So here there are two options: start registering, and second, already have a superset account, sign in. Like if you have already an account in the superset, then you can sign in. In sign in, you can put your username and password, and then click on apply. There you will get there the like pop-up like you have successfully applied for the link. And if you are new to this superset platform, like you don't know what is this, then you can here click here start registering. Then you will get the UI in the like all the information will be there, like your name, your education, your projects, whatever experience you have to fill all this information. After that, you can apply there you will get the link, because if you are clicking on the link I'm provided, then there you can apply there directly. So no any issues with this. Like this is the way you can apply for this. And the most important thing is, don't like skip this applying process now. Like if you are watching the video now, then now only apply the video, apply the link, apply the opportunity. If you are missing, or if you will say like after some time I will apply, but sometimes what happens is, like if you are not applying now, but after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes, after 1 day, after 2 day, that like that hiring is closed. Because if they are getting like multiple applications, they are closing the hiring also. So should not miss this opportunity. Please apply to this link.